Today, the sheriff of Lee County defended the decision made by county leaders to wait until just one day before landfall, before ordering a mandatory evacuation. Now, on the one hand, the bullseye had been predicted to be farther north toward Tampa Bay and St. Petersburg. In fact, the center of the storm never tracked within 20 miles of Fort Myers. On the other hand, as early as the Sunday before the storm hit, there was a chance Lee County could get up to 7 feet of storm surge, and that chance meets the county's emergency plan threshold to trigger an evacuation notice. One county official telling CNN today, mandatory evacuation or not, residents had enough general information to know they should have left a full 72 hours before the storm. But, as CNN's Carlos Suarez reports, residents of Lee County are pushing back on that, saying they're used to more time to evacuate after an order is officially given.
Unrecognizable in parts, still underwater in others. Hurricane Ian's destruction and path so vast, search and rescue efforts continue days after the storm tore through Florida.
We can't get over the bridge.
Residents in DeSoto County hit by river flooding. They're stuck. Airboats key to getting supplies in and people out.
These airboats are going out taking people into town, and it's been going for a while now.
The death toll across the state climbing rapidly. Two of the hardest hit Florida counties, Lee and Charlotte, each adding a dozen deaths today alone.
A lot of sick people that are running out of their medications, a lot of people that are running out of their water. And until we can get everything up and going, we're trying to get them out.
Hundreds of Sanibel Island residents cut off from the mainland have been rescued so far, with no timetable to rebuild the only road to the island.
We are encouraging everyone to get off the island, but we also need to understand that this is everyone's home and they need to get back and protect it.
Meanwhile, mounting questions in Lee County over why the first mandatory evacuation orders there came just one day before landfall. County officials standing by the decision making, saying they based the orders on the storm's forecasted path.
They made the call as soon as the forecast called for them to make the call. Monday afternoon, we were telling people you do not have to wait for evacuation orders to leave. You can leave now.
But the county's own emergency plan suggests evacuations should have happened earlier, specifically when there is a 10% chance of 6 feet or higher storm surge. It was Sunday night when the National Hurricane Center first mentioned 4 to 7 feet of surge for that area. The first mandatory evacuation orders for Lee County were issued Tuesday morning.
Now, whether people listen to it, we can't force people out of their homes.
Mixed opinions from residents themselves on how the county handled the decision.
And then when that evacuation order came, we're like 24 hours, that's not a lot.
We have so many retirees here and elderly that need more time to be able to get to places, or people that don't have vehicles that need more assistance, that having those extra days might have given people, or would have given people, more time to get affairs in order.
That wouldn't deter whether I go or not. It's all for each individual. It's right for me doesn't mean it's right for you.
And Jake, similar to Sanibel and Fort Myers Beach, getting in and out of northern Lee County is quite difficult. Where we spent the day in northern Fort Myers, there are only 2 major roads going north and south. We're talking about I-75 and US 41. The folks that we talked to said, look, we would have welcomed a little bit more time, but the last thing they felt folks wanted to do was possibly sit in traffic on either of these 2 roads, considering that northern cities like Tampa were evacuating their residents. Jake?
And Carlos, that boat behind you, is that just a boat that was thrown into somebody's front yard?
That's right, Jake. So we're in downtown Fort Myers in what's become a bit of a yard for all of these boats out here. All of these washed up from a marina not too far from the northern side of the Caloosahatchee River here. You can see just how much of this litters out here. We have seen a couple of crews out here taking a look, what you would imagine would be the effort that's about to get underway in figuring out who these boats belong to and exactly where they're going to go.
All right. Carlos Suarez reporting live from Fort Myers, Florida. Thank you so much. For more from Lee County, let's bring in Jim Adderholt. He's a member of the Fort Myers Beach Town Council, which is in Lee County. We should note that your community Facebook page encouraged residents in high-risk flood zones to leave last Monday, 2 days before Ian's landfall. The mayor of Fort Myers Beach told CNN today that he didn't want to get involved in any controversy over the evacuation timing in your county, saying it's a political fight. But obviously, with every storm, lessons can be learned. 54 people in Lee County are dead. The storm didn't discriminate between political parties. Is there a lesson to be learned here about evacuation?
Well, Jake, I think there is. I was in a building at the tip of the spear of the hurricane on Fort Myers Beach. We were right on the ocean. I was on the 9th floor. We knew the hurricane was coming. We knew it was trending south. We knew that it long in advance. At that point that it hit, we thought we were still on the edge of the cone in Fort Myers Beach. And people just did not know. The weather folks didn't know that it was going to be a Cat 4. We stayed primarily because we had some elderly folks in our condo building who were disabled. My wife's a nurse. We did not, in good conscience, we could not leave them there alone. But every situation is different. No one predicted a Cat 4 to be hitting where it hit, when it hit. But we knew hurricanes were coming, and the lesson to be learned is get out. I mean, these things are very volatile. They change direction quickly. And so, I take responsibility. Next time I'm going to take these seniors where I'm going to carry them down personally and put them in our car. And if we have to put people in the trunk, we're going to get off the island. That's the lesson to be learned. Just because these things are so volatile and they trend in different directions so quickly.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's the main lesson. It's not about finger pointing, but I mean, it looked as though the storm was going to target Tampa St. Pete, and it ended up targeting Fort Myers instead. But still, by Fort Myers, by Lee County's own evacuation guidelines, what you knew was coming should have prompted an evacuation, even not expecting that it would be the bullseye on Lee County.
And Jake, that's fair, but we did know days in advance that we should get out of there because you never know when these hurricanes are going to trend. But we had some folks, elderly, 2 of whom were disabled, and one's on the 12th floor, one was on the 6th floor, and you just can't leave people like that there. And we didn't have enough capacity in our transportation to get everybody off. And so they decided to stay, and they were going to stay, and so we decided to stay with them. We saw this storm hit our building. Normally giant waves hit the shoreline, but because of the storm surge, the giant waves literally were hitting our building on the side of our building, gutting the first floor of our building. And then we could see out the other window, literally carrying cars across the island as the storm surge moved across the island. The devastation was, I was chief of staff for a governor in Indiana for a number of years, and I've never seen anything even approaching this kind of devastation. So at this time, I think it's best to put the politics aside. We need help. The state and federal help is pouring in, and we're extremely thankful for it. We were stuck on the island for 4 days. It's apocalyptic on that island right now. It's horrifying, and everybody just needs to come together and help. We really need help, and we're so thankful for those who are the professionals that are there right now. Right now, it's only search and rescue on our island, and it's a desperate time. And the professionals are there. They're doing their job, and we're very thankful for their help.
All right, Jim Adderhall to Fort Myers Beach, Florida. Thank you, and God bless you and your wife for sticking around and helping those seniors out.